All right, what's up, guys? Not much. All right, so today we got this NRG engine stand right here. Well, I guess it's kind of an engine stand. Engine cradle, I guess, is the technical word for it. I've never had one of these before. I've always had like your traditional engine stands where you can like rotate the engine around. But so I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, drop it on here, and we'll see how it works. I don't even know if these are the right bolts. I kind of just was given this, so like I think it should be good, but we're gonna give it a try. So let's go ahead and jack this up, set this in here, and let's see how it bolts up. Okay, so we got our engine hanging up. Yeah, we're using the lift as a engine stand because I didn't feel like getting the engine lift out. That's just way too much work. But it does bolt up. This bolt was too long. I don't know if that was a supply bolt. Other than that though, it bolts on correctly. Bolts on back here, and then it bolts through here. Let me spin this around. The only thing I don't like about this is I would say that you can't install a transmission with this mount like this, because if it was mounted on the other side, you could at least like bolt up a transmission or something on the outside, so you could bolt your transmission up while you got this. But realistically, right here, the only thing you could do with this is really just like install the head maybe. You really can't do too much else with this, I guess I would say, as the as-is condition. But all right, let's go ahead and set this thing down on the ground and see how it works. And okay, so we're on the ground. It holds it good. It's nice and sturdy. It's even pretty easy to roll too. I mean, I would say, you can move this thing around pretty easy. It's not like it's, too heavy or anything. I mean, this is easily a couple 100-pound engine for sure. So, yeah, I'm not going to say it's a bad buy if you just needed something to put your engine on just to kind of stick it around and store it around on the floor. Because like realistically, if I stick this thing on the floor, I'm not moving this thing myself. I can teeter-tot it and spin it around, but like realistically, I can't just go, let's just move this out of the way and pull it over to the side. I can't do that unless either I put it on the stand that bolts to it, and then, you can roll it around then. But I mean, this isn't bad. It sets it pretty low too, because like realistically on the other engine stands, the bottom of the engine is probably here. I'd say, yeah, probably about right here. So you still have the whole engine taking up a lot of space, where this does kind of mount it low to the ground. So I definitely say it's all right. It's definitely something to have if you have spare engine sitting around like I do, because now I can just wheel it over in the corner, don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so definitely I would say it's a good buy if you can get one of these for cheap. I want to say I think these retail for like $200, and for $200, like, this is probably 5 seconds of welding. I mean, you literally just need some straight pieces of metal and just 4 casters. I mean, if you'd have a friend with a MIG welder or a TIG welder or something, you probably could make this in a matter of 10, 20 minutes maybe, and probably spend $30. But would I pay $200 for this? Probably not. But it is, the design is well worth it. It does sit a lot better, and it's better than having your engine on an engine stand for sure. So, all right, guys. Yeah, I don't want to keep this video too long. Just quick little review on this thing I got. It was kind of just a gift, but all right, guys. I guess we'll keep working on that thing over there, and maybe we'll start driving that thing over there, and maybe we might take that thing back there out too. But all right, guys. Later.